Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you use the Spectrum Xumo remote. So here's a tutorial for your button functions, shortcuts and tips for every feature. Method 1, you can master the core button layout and functions. So the voice button, large teal color, you can hold this button down and speak into the top microphone hole to instantly search for shows, change live channels, or open apps like Netflix or Max. The directional pad or the D-pad, if you press the outer ring arrows to move up, down, left, or right across menus, and tap the center OK button to make selections. The home button or the house icon. Press this button from anywhere inside the streaming app to instantly close it and return to the main Zumo home screen. The back button or the left arrow, use this to return to your previous screen or exit submenus. Holding it down inside live TV often opens your recent channel history. Volume and mute. Located along the left edge, these buttons control your TV or soundbar volume directly via infrared command once paired. Method 2, use hidden shortcuts and navigation tricks. The quick number entry trick. Because the remote lacks a physical number pad, press the voice button and say the channel number, example channel 45, to immediately jump to a live broadcast. Instant Info Overlay. Press the up arrow on the D-pad while watching live TV to view program descriptions, runtime data, and audio configuration settings. The 10-second skip shortcut. While playing a movie or show, tap the left arrow on the D-pad to skip backward 10 seconds or tap the right arrow to skip forward 10 seconds. Fast list scrolling, hold down the up or down arrows on the D-pad rather than tapping them repeatedly to quickly glide through long on-screen channel guides. Method 3, Factory Reset and pair hardware shortcuts. The reset combination. Hold down the 7 and 9 buttons simultaneously on the physical number row if using the XR100 variant, or the corresponding contextual options until the remote light flashes. You can force Bluetooth pairing mode, hold down the mute and Zumo home buttons together for 3 to 5 seconds until the status LED turns green. On-screen syncing, point the remote directly at your Zumo stream box on an uh, on-screen prompt which will appear to automatically sync the remote via Bluetooth and walk you through your TV brand configuration. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.